so Bible no cry say na me na my friend me deal for na me yi me ho kire won e wo dae mu any swadu hu no send out the between the bed and what am I trying to say is that I have called my prophet and I reveal myself to them through dreams and revelations and they speak my word. I didn't make us same way. A baby a trim ye papa Apostle Francis Amoako Atta eba abonten epotena Angel Broadcasting Station so na wo kasa wo kire say I wo hu say wo die na wo die no wo sorry no wo say spiritually no ne kra ya fa e de na ko ye papa wonya ni baby ko Reverend Anthony Kwadwo Boakye afie na wo ru afie ho no na chese gate no e die ya ye bie gate no ato honom na wo say ote ase spiritually ye ja gate na to ho e na wo sere say asem we de only man that, but they should send this message to the man because spiritually, the man house is opened. It be beer to me borrow eye the open. It prayer warriors for no. I was so mo bomb pie no mo yiri omo. Na sa gate a two and na sa gate na ye two free or say two say here then on. E ba ka be si o send spiritually the man will be built. Ansa na papa ne yare mu ye de ne ba be si puppet so man akasa no. They have to go through all this. And yes sir. Papa di ba they attack a besama na ba no de beba enye de enye papa yi eka statement yi nim say message ni ekoto restoration for ene won pamfo ni na etimu de an mo ye de a ene minim ebi on beba abonti abeka say de sofo kan no omo ye ne sade a na minim yenkotie ensema ye papa Francis Amoako Atta ekan
na dwumi na wasa na msundai amontie me me so do for me go straight haya na bet na e na ya me de ma sorry
yes
eto chacha se papa we ya sorry a okay me I'm talking about Reverend Anthony Kwadwo Boakye
yes
and adwi abofo fam ko say kan kire o because me ni mo bia papa nso me ne nkasa ada ye call papa ni fie odifo na papa ni fie gate ni ho papa no na sunsun ni fie me si de na ni ho
gate ni ho
epono ni ho epono kura ni ho a quant them is just as empty as anything. No, before say warn them. The I won't say they can't say there was a identity said dragon and they move from Nsuonum. A call ya na ja aso asie no a so chan ye aba. Give me the house and I'm Sunday. I'm on TM. Me so over for the go straight. Haya na bet na e. And I am a de sorry.
yes
Eto chacha. Say papa we yan sorry. Okay, me I'm talking about Reverend Anthony Kwadwo Boakye.
Yes.
And adwi abofo fam ko say kan kire o because me ni mo bia papa nso me ne nkasa ada. Say na mtiu. Me tie me. Me dinyame na ye adwuma. Dinyame se meka no na maka. Opa afa.
Opa ajai.
Ye call papa ni fie odifo, na papa ni fie gate ni ho. Papa no na sunsun ni fie me si de na ni ho.
gate ni ho
Epono ni ho. Epono kura ni ho. A quant them is just as empty as anything. No, before say warn them. Mr. Ramo. Here I'm better now. The prayer warriors about resurrection. My dad this one na to mo papa so. Na the I won't say they can't say there was a identity said dragon and they move from Nsuonum. A call ya na ja aso asie no eso chan ye aba Mr. Ramo and with immediate effect what prayer was the one in sorry you know manaso a prayerless church is a powerless church.
yes
and we say papa ni ya no ya urade o nyina na bom e bom pe o start is over out no o ma relaxing and the enemy is working
Jesus
the enemy is working na in order say be silence some here man doing my part na me obi am no be kasa nti that's why haya na mbeka na me say aka no say be ya ba ento ye nyina so one be e pa che no he is a great man of God.
Yes.
Gather so many souls and we must make every effort to protect him and the kingdom and the me pa che na no yesu mpo edu ba bi no was money me emompai so prayer warriors na mo wa so no san sore wuraka na mo nsun frɛ urade mpaya no odene na mundum ja bia ewom
Yes.
before the man will appear on the altar say and yes asma making Muya ni yodium pia papa de ni begina altar ne so. Ade bi e be strike no an asama ba. The last day attack is going to be dangerous than the first.
You see, they should tell you say a deep for our mining. Onyankopo hwe ne ho nkonkron wa che bi mu a chede se won be ye deep for no won ka ehintasem emfa nkyere amansan na de bia ye pa de se ye ka because when you say ebia me campaign I have monitored and what this man closely match on stations and other stations most Taiko Angel Broadcasting Network for Angel TV or pa na workasa and whatever he says seems to happen and or say and you see the great thing is oya won kase me hu or say me so daye you see a deep for papa bia with the dream they don't come and talk about me hu ye me we it's a lie a deep for papa bia the dream they are through their trance and good dreams they see the spiritual mysteries of life papa wo hu ye no wo be kan ye and say your fan is right today am ye dem nim at least papa ya sema sie it should at least tell us Ghanaians say oye Christo ni akura onyankopon sum yie the devil it has rise and my young for Christo sum say ya die bi eda fom keke sebi obi be sie and then ban the enemy will rise against this man and look at the pedigree and standard papa raise eko gina it no say the oya ne say we gina no on hwe ye ni wan hwe ase and look at what has happened. I sorry kesi ebia they know they are doing the ministry. Bunsam bo remu ampa. Se gate in the area. Bunsam ebo remu. Make us bunsam bo remu. Look at bunsam bo remu no. He infiltrated the wife. He even infiltrated the elders. Into Ultra Francis Amoako Tansema na wakana. Or make a statement say the prayer warrior should pray. And now bunsam will bo remu. So he is in the mind of these people. How so be be yare ni ese in the hospital na elders ni penyifo bi e wa so be kasema yen fa ne nko it should tell you that sometimes our situation be institution bi mu baby na nyoma enko ya you should know that the devil has entered into that place. We seem to joke with things but at least and whatever message or revelation this pastor Francis Amoako ewu ye no should give us a message say no o fato o so say me ma for Jesus Christ and I am in the fraternity of Christians oh asidie bi di ma wo pa and you need to be very careful. You see at the end of the day the man's protection matters and ti afede so we papa yo kan nyamesem o kan kwagisem o live good life and we born for or ye na actually for adoye itumu say eto go to me ka and mama obi ska metima je funsem ni ade he has said all those kind of words before. But you see, the devil did not care about all that. Life has not cared about all that. Your protection matters. Because they be a kasa same way say, and when they hear any pantias whether good or bad, you still need life. Whether you're a bad person, it will stay there. They be a on say yes, it's a kafo. Omunye ska omukopre bambo on tias here. Because all the born in the crowd so bet me. It is the one yan and kwa. But papa for no say ebia. Nimpa eboni na do ye bia wo ye nti obenya nkwantente that thing do not guarantee you anything. The devil works mercilessly. Won't show no mercy to anyone. Into room. You see, as our father's gate was opened, there was no protection. The protection is gone, so he barged in and did whatever he wanted. It is sad I mene we abra boom. Say ye papa penyu say no, but some of rawa. I mene wo. We should seek the protection of God. Especially on this year. Meaning the buy, we pray a beam and me buy say God protect me. Meaning now me cry enemy kasa. I didn't make us me cry enemy kasa because I started the year said God protect me. Meaning this year is a messy year. It's very dirty. A fimre. It also bon hoban. Onyankopon kan ena Christopher so yen kan yen ho enye den embom na me hye ebenfo ana Reverend Anthony Kwadwo Boakye ebusuafo asorifo ni na yakọ omemo mo hye den ai Onyankopon enhye won den na won fa ye papa kra ensie ye na bra body wa bebobi wa beye bi Bible kra se edu baby Moses nyoma bi entumi ama na mfo bo hye na asase ne so na enu nche se enne oni Onyankopon akokom ye papa eni wo pium ebia ne nyuma na wo so nko ye wie no ntuma nye ni ne nwie dia onyame mfa ne se sa ne de bia ye kan se be ma be ye bi ambeye ni na ebusuafo aha Xposed Díed na me wish happy birthday e de ma me nua be ma owo BUC school abrantie Obed bedi akon me ma o happy birthday onyankopon emfa enkwantenten enka wabrabon na mbambo kese a wode ball na pamfon e ma wotu ye wodwuma pa no onfa bi enye den ema na wonya asomdue e wo school no so ntumi ye den ensuade aha e na me demu ebeseda sene ebese hia makramo bye bye.